Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, take out your book, open page number 101 and take one rough copy also, so that you can note down the important points. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in previous video we are discussing about what are the causes, you can say, or you can say what are the reason for the air pollution. And name of the chapter is environmental pollution. So we are discussing air pollution. What are the causes? What are the causes of air pollution? So student, when we discuss about the air pollution, I have already explained you, it is divided in two types. One, due to nature, the air is polluted due to the nature, and other thing is that due to the human activities. One is by the nature, so we don't have control on this types of activity. जैसे earthquake आ गया, floods आ गई, so these are not under our control. Is it clear? And another type of a pollution which is created by the human activities, and main reason of environmental pollution is of increase in the population and due to science and technology also. Human beings had made their life more comfortable. So when we talking about the how it happens in the nature, so fires in the forest, that is by nature. So what happened in this student? Lot of things burn in the forest, and due to the burning of the things, lot of smoke is produced, and it contain very harmful gases. So when these harmful gases get mixed up with the air, so we can say that air is polluted. Now let's discuss some how the air is polluted by man-made activities like cutting of trees. So due to the increase of population, the demand of the food is also eat. So we cut many forests to make the land free for the cultivation, and even for many other activities we have make the land free. So cutting of trees is also a, this is the biggest reason of the air pollution, because student we know that we are totally depend on plants. Cutting because student we know that we are totally depend upon plants, our living gas, that is oxygen. This gas we are getting from the plants. In the same manner, our body is also like a machine, and we also need energy to perform various types of activities in our day to day life. So student, from where we are getting this energy? We are getting this energy from the food which we are eating, and this food we are getting from the plants, because plants are the only producer. They can prepare their own food, and animals and human beings we all depend upon plants directly or indirectly for the food. And another reason, due to cutting of a trees, problem of a soil erosion also arises. लैंड डिग्रेशन मैंने इससे पहले वाले में आपसे डिस्कस किया था, लैंड पॉल्यूशन में भी. सो मैनी थिंग्स, मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स अराइजेस ड्यू टू द कटिंग ऑफ ए ट्रीज. ड्यू टू द कटिंग ऑफ ए ट्रीज soil erosion take place, and it creates a land pollution. Due to degradation of the land, because plants roots hold, or you can say bind the soil. If number of trees become very less, then what's happen, land is also degrade due to these activities. And even cutting of trees is the most important reason of the air pollution also. Okay, after that industries and factories. After that industries, or you can say factories also, because many of the things are built in these industries and factories. So lot of smoke is produced by these factories, and this smoke get mixed up with the air and creates a what type of a situation? Due to this also air get polluted. After that we have discussed, I am doing quick recapitulation, because in the previous video we have discussed all these things in a very detail. Okay, now vehicles. So who made these vehicles? These are man made, and you know there are different vehicles. So for running this vehicle also, they also need some energy, or you can say fuel. So by burning of the petrol, diesel, lot of harmful gases are produced, and they are polluting the air. Due to this also air get polluted. After that, domestic activity, for example, domestic, mostly in the villages area or in the past time, if you consider that peoples are burning coal, and wood for making the food. So by the burning of a wood and coal also harmful gases are produced, and when these harmful gases mix up with the air, then they creates a situation that air is polluted. Next, agriculture activity. See, many times we left over the things for decay, and it also produce a harmful gas that is known as methane. So this is the also a reason for air pollution. Next, mining, where we हम लोग खदानें खोदते हैं ना अर्थ में गड्ढे कर करके. So the dust particles of these, they get also mixed up with the air, and it also polluted the air. So after that, student, we discuss, because in all the reason I am telling you that many harmful gases that mix into the air and making the air polluted. So now we discuss what are the name of these harmful gases and what are their effects. So CFC, CFC is the name of the gas, okay, and full form of CFC is chlorofluorocarbon, okay. So CFC is the harmful gas. When this gas mix up with the air, this harmful gas mix up with the air, then we say that air is polluted due to this gas, and the full form of CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. And how these gas released? So student, reason is that these gas are produced from the AC, air conditioner, which you are using in your houses to keep the house cool. And a very common thing that we can say refrigerator. So by the using of air condition and refrigerator, this harmful gas is produced, that is known as chlorofluorocarbon. And see, and what is the harmful effect of this gas? What is the harmful effect of this gas? Is it destroy the ozone layer. It destroy ozone layer. See student, when the light of the sun come to the surface of the earth, so in that time there are many harmful rays which are very dangerous for the living beings. ठीक है. So at the time the rays of the sun, there are very harmful rays also, due to which what happened, that is not suitable for the living. So these ozone layer stop the harmful rays of the sun. It stop harmful rays of the sun so that it does not reach on the surface of the earth. So it is destroying that ozone layer. After that student, we discuss about carbon dioxide, CO2. We discuss CO2, that is a carbon dioxide, and it is also produced by the burning of coal and oil. Okay, it is also produced by the burning of coal and oil. Next we discuss about nitrogen oxide. So what is this? Jet planes and fertilizers. Okay, so this gas is produced by the fuel of the jet planes and by the using of the fertilizers. So this gas is also very harmful, nitrogen oxide. After that we discuss about sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. This gas is also produced by burning coal and oil. Is it clear? And this gas is also known as a cracking gas. It breaks the stone. It breaks the stones. So these are the some gases which we discuss. These are the some harmful gases. When these types of gases mixed into the air, so they are creating a problem that is known as air pollution. That is known as air pollution. Now let student discuss ways to reduce pollutions. Ways to reduce pollution. Okay, so what method we should follow that? देखो पॉल्यूशन ऐसे जैसे मैंने उसमें पढ़ाया था क्लीन सराउंडिंग्स में, एट दैट टाइम आई क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन यू दैट कि आप सोचो कि वेस्ट नहीं होगी तो दिस इज इम्पॉसिबल. वेस्ट तो होनी है, डेली होनी है, बट बाई फॉलोइंग सम वेज वी कैन रिड्यूस द वेस्ट मटेरियल. ठीक है, ऐसा हम सोचें कि वेस्ट नहीं होगी, वो तो होनी है डेफिनेटली. ऐसा इम्पॉसिबल है कि वेस्ट मटेरियल्स ना निकले. जब भी कोई चीज हमारे यूज की नहीं होती है तो दैट थिंग इज ए वेस्ट फॉर अस. ओके, बट हम उसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. ओके, बाय फॉलोइंग सम मेथड वी कैन कंट्रोल देम. in the same manner here also, ways to reduce pollution, that is I am talking about the land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So what are the methods by which we can follow to reduce these types of a pollution, reduce this type of a pollution? So in order to live in a clean environment we need to reduce pollution. We need to follow certain rules and bring changes in the environment. Some of the measures are: first is promote the use of CNG and LPG vehicles. Promotes the use of CNG and LPG vehicles. See student, by petrol and diesel, with the use of these things in the vehicle, it creates a lot of pollution. Many harmful gases released when we burn the petrol and diesel, or you can say now CNG is compressed natural gas है, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. So this is eco friendly. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें पॉल्यूशन नहीं है, बट रेट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन इज वेरी लेस. मैंने यही बात आपसे बोली कि हम वेस्ट मटेरियल्स को खत्म नहीं कर सकते. हम ऐसा सोच ही नहीं सकते कि वेस्ट होनी नहीं चाहिए. एयर पॉल्यूशन है, अगर हम सोचें कि ये बिल्कुल हो ही ना, तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट बाई फॉलोइंग सम मेथड वी कैन रिड्यूस इट. ठीक है, तो बाई द यूजिंग, प्रमोट करना है द यूज ऑफ सीएनजी एंड एलपीजी व्हीकल्स. व्हीकल्स जो हैं जिसमें आप लोग डीजल एंड पेट्रोल, you are using these for the running of different vehicles on the road. So in place of these petrol and diesel, if you want to reduce the air pollution, एयर पोल्यूशन को रिड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, तो आप व्हीकल्स को कैसे रन करें? विद द यूज ऑफ सीएनजी और एलपीजी. ऐसा नहीं है कि इससे पॉल्यूशन नहीं होगी, लेकिन रेट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन इन कंपेयर टू पेट्रोल एंड डीजल इज वेरी लेस विद द यूज ऑफ सीएनजी एंड एलपीजी इन द व्हीकल्स. और मैक्सिमम बेटा इन अ बिग सिटीज और स्मॉल टाउन सिटीज में भी अब देखो बहुत से व्हीकल सीएनजी पे और एलपीजी पे रन कर रहे हैं, और इसकी कॉस्ट भी कम है. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट पेट्रोल एंड डीजल, you have to pay more money for that, and you have to pay less money in CNG and LPG, and very less pollution with the use of these gases for the running of the vehicles. So student, by using these gases, that is CNG and LPG, you can reduce the pollution. And in many metro cities and in small cities also, maximum auto rickshaw, buses, car, they are moving with CNG and LPG. They are using CNG or LPG in their vehicles. अब nowadays अब देखोगे तो बहुत सी छोटी छोटी व्हीकल्स हैं दैट जिसमें बैटरी सिस्टम है, और आप जैसे अपने मोबाइल की बैटरी चार्ज करते हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी स्टोर करते हो, तो इन दैट मैनर यू कैन चार्ज इट, एंड बाई दिस आल्सो द व्हीकल्स इज रनिंग. वो भी टोटली पॉल्यूशन नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है, उसमें भी कोई पॉल्यूशन नहीं है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस डे you will see that many autos or even small bikes, they are running with the this also. So why we now, with the change of time, because as a human being we realize that due to our activity once upon a time come that we will destroy our planet on which we are living, on which we are living. So now we start using of such type of a fuels which is creating very less pollution. So such type of fuel is CNG and LPGs, or this type of a gases are used in the vehicles. Plant more trees. Okay, very good point. Plants more trees. So student, yes, plant more trees. So See, whether we are talking about the land pollution, whether we are talking about the water pollution, or whether we are talking about the air pollution. So in all these three types of a pollution, the plants, or you can say trees, plays a very important role. Soil erosion, removing the upper layer of the soil by the wind or by the water. And why this happen? This happens because maximum due to the cutting of the trees, which I have already discussed with you at the time of a land pollution also. Cutting of trees, that is known as deforestation. So if you are cutting trees, so such type of a situation will arise, that will soil erosion. Is it clear? Because student, the roots of the plant bind the soil, it hold the soil with the root, and if there are no plants, no root, then what's happen? So fertility of the soil also become very less due to these activities of human beings. So student, plants more and more trees. देखो, if we are talking in the present time, ओल्ड टाइम में तो ठीक है, पहले के अगर बात करते हैं, वी हैव कट लॉट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, दैट थिंग्स वी हैव डन, बट नाउ होल वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम which arise due to which we say that is environmental pollution. This is not a problem of one country, whole world is facing a problem due to this. Even now, see, you can't cut the trees, it is law is made. And even when you go with the bus in highways, or you are traveling in a train, then you will see many of the trees which you see in your way, you will find that in all the trees there is a numbering done by the government forest department, so that no one can cut the trees. Even when you come to your school, then you see the trees of your school, even you find number is written on the trees. So now strict rule has been made by the government to save the trees, and time to time we plant many new plants, and that is known as afforestation. That is known as afforestation. Now see student, soil erosion we have discussed. Air pollution, air pollution maybe plants play a very important role, because we are getting our living gas oxygen from the plants, and if the percentage of other harmful gases will increase, then what happens? Percentage of oxygen become less, then the life of human being is possible? Human being, or you can say the life of living organism is possible on this planet? So answer is no. So student, by cutting the trees, lot of problems, environmental pollution, land also, water also, and air pollution also, because tree clean the air. These you can say, ये क्या है, एयर ट्रीज और प्लांट्स क्या है, फिल्टर्स हैं, which make the air clean. And if number of trees are less, then what happen? The percentage of harmful gases will increase in the environment, and slowly by our this activity, once upon a time will come that there will be no life on our planet also. Okay student, Thank you.